Alright, welcome. I hope you downloaded the raw data file because you will need the raw data file. So first of all, what you're going to do is, let's look what we're going to do. We have here the raw data, that's what we need. And we're going to make this input data tab. And this input data tab will have the raw data all stacked up here. And you see there are 5 columns, and this is very important because these columns will contain formulas. And this is a 500 row long table, so this is a huge table, and you can even expand it if you want. This is wonderful even for bookkeeping. So let's get started. Let's start with the first part, and that is getting the raw data. And before you know, it starts at D and E. So let's go here. We will select just A, B. I'll select this, is easier, so we don't have to select everything. So we select instantly all the rows as well. So once you did that, we're going to exercise with this tab here, right click and paste values. Right click, and well, we can paste values. And well, you might be confused right now for why do we have this information here. Well, these are the month, but because we just pasted the values, we need to give it a proper layout. So we select format cells. Once you did that, and you go to date. Once you select date, you see here the option what it is, and I want this. I want the number, and after that the month in letters. Alright, so once we did that, we can start to you select the format painter, and then we start to click all. You can see that this format we want to copy, so we click this all and go down, 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 and there you are. And now we're done. You can see that everything has a nice format now. So what we want to do more, I want to give this sales tab, I want to give it a nice format. So how to click this very quick, I'll show you. You click on the first one that we want, and then you select shift, and then you press down arrow. Oh, so shift control, you also hold control and shift and press down arrow, and there you are. You select all the tabs for all the rows instantly that is connected. Then you click the $sign, and there you are, beautiful. Now we have this part, and now we have still a few other things. We have here the 3 columns that we're going to make. So what are they? Well, let's go to our input data. We see combined, day and month. Very important. So we have here combined, day and month. Now we did that. Let's make this a little bit bigger by selecting the width and push it up there. Now we are almost done, so we just put this in the center. We just give it a quick layout. We select the cell styles, and what is this? I will select this. We have that. Next, this is always the input data. And input data that is just only pasted in will always get a specific cell color. So you select cell styles, and I will always recommend this input data in orange. Why? Because you will know automatically if you will scan all the other tabs for what parts you only have to adjust. Because if you put it also here, and people will assume that you have to type in here stuff, you get a mistake because you might mess up the formulas and the coding. So this part we need to select all, because we will give this a other color because this is a formula. So we select this all. Let's go to row 500. There we are. Then we select cell style and give it a output. We can give it orange or gray. I'll select gray. And now we need to put the formula. And this is very important. And I will show you that in the next video. First, make this everything ready so you are ready for the formulas in here. Alright.